A light year is a unit of distance used to measure astronomical distances. It is the distance that light travels in 1 year. Light travels at a speed of 186,000 miles per second. So 1 light year is equal to 5,878,625,370,000 miles. 9.46 trillion kilometers. Light years are used to measure the distances between stars, galaxies, and other astronomical objects. For example, the nearest star to the Sun, Proxima Centauri, is 4.2 light-years away. This means that it takes light
2 years to travel from Proxima Centauri to the Sun. Light years are a very large unit of distance, and it can be difficult to conceptualize how far they are. Here are some examples of distances in light years.
The Milky Way Galaxy is about 100,000 light-years across.
The Andromeda Galaxy is about 2.5 million light-years away.
The most distant quasar ever observed is about 13.4 billion light-years away. Light-years are a useful unit of distance for measuring astronomical distances, but they can be difficult to understand. If you are trying to conceptualize how far a light-year is, it can be helpful to think about the speed of light and how long it takes light to travel from one object to another.